Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to make oats kanji. This simple, nutritious dish is perfect for any time of day. To begin, you'll need just a few basic ingredients. Grab 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water or milk, and a pinch of salt. For a touch of sweetness, have some honey or jaggery on hand. Make sure you have a small saucepan and a stirring spoon ready to go. Now let's get cooking. First, combine your 1/2 cup of oats, 2 cups of liquid, and the pinch of salt in your saucepan. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. This helps the oats cook evenly and prevents them from sticking to the bottom of the pan, ensuring a smooth consistency. Achieving the perfect texture and flavor is key. If you prefer a thinner kanji, simply add a little more hot water or milk until it reaches your desired consistency. Now is the time to add your sweeteners. 1 tablespoon of honey or jaggery works wonderfully. For an aromatic touch, stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. You can also boost nutrition by mixing in some chopped nuts or fresh fruits. Your delicious oats kanji is now ready to be enjoyed. Pour it into a bowl and serve it warm. For a delightful finish, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a handful of fresh berries. Remember, oats kanji is incredibly versatile. Feel free to experiment with savory variations by adding your favorite vegetables and spices. It's a wonderfully nutritious and satisfying meal, perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.